Let's get you some news from Telangana now. More than 76 people from the state who have recently returned from Iraq to Karimnagar are under the scanner. The police claims it wants to ensure that none of them have links with the dreaded ISIS. Pratibha Raman reports.
The police in Telangana state are keeping an eye on all those who have returned home from Iraq. Jeevan, who is a construction worker by profession, returned from the war-torn country on the 5th of July.
As SP of the district, I only verify their antecedents, whether they are involved in any criminal cases or whether they are associated with in any manner with any banned organization in the country. To that extent, I'll issue a clearance certificate. Based on that, they'll get the relevant document, which may be passport or subsequently the police clearance certificate, which is required for securing an employment.
The police have also outsourced the surveillance job to village sarpanch and report any suspicious activity to the nearest police station.
As per records, at least 326 people have gone to Iraq from Karimnagar district. Now, the district administration, through the embassy there, has received requisition to provide help for at least 135 people. Now, some of them who have returned have in fact confessed to certain NGOs, stating that they have worked for military camps and they have also been trained in using the AK-47.
ऐसा हो सकता है, ऐसा 100% ऐसा हो सकता है, क्योंकि एक कंट्री से एक कंट्री को यूज़ कर रहे हैं, यूज़ के हमको काम चाहिए, वो मिलिटेंट है या उग्रवादी है या मिलिट्री है, नहीं मालूम है, उनको खाना चाहिए.
It is not just the police but the moneylenders too who are chasing the Iraq returnees. Most of them had borrowed money to go to work in the distant land and are now unable to repay the debts.
2% इंटरेस्ट पे पैसे ले लिया 1.5 लाख रुपए, वो अभी दिलाने के बाद 3 लाख 3.5 लाख बन गया. अभी मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, थोड़ा खेत था मेरा वो बेच दिया, अभी भी मेरा बाकी क्लियर नहीं हुआ. अभी मेरा बीबी मैं है, ऐसा मजदूरी करते थोड़ा टाइम पैसे जी रहे बस. एक मेरे औरत बच्ची भी है, मेरा तकलीफ बहुत मुश्किल है, मेरे लिए कोई हेल्पिंग भी नहीं है, अभी ये प्रॉब्लम में है अभी मेरे.
From the frying pan into the fire is the plight of those who have returned from Iraq. Their misfortune is that they cannot even migrate elsewhere, lest it will be misconstrued as suspicious activity by those keeping a watch. With Pratibha Raman in Karimnagar, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.